Good morning, still in Lewisburg. I'm here at Lewisburg Antiques. It's been a while since we've been here. Let's go in and see what they got. Now this is one of my favorite things about coming up to Lewisburg is this vendor. They are amazing. They had a big spot at Old Sledworks I used to visit before they closed. Oh my gosh, look at this cat pin. How fun. It's a pendant. I love that. $4. It's contemporary, but it's fantastic. And the little wishbone. Here's one with rhinestones. What is going on here? That's pretty. The beaded flower, very 4th of July. And the little angel pin, that's cute too. Some bangles, I can't really tell what the material is from the glare. Yeah, that's just an acrylic. And this looks like lucite. $3 on that nice silver one. And then here, see a nice Valentine's Day hanky, $2. I'll take that one. Love the Valentines and the old cards, but I don't do a lot of ephemera. It's kind of a pain in the butt, honestly. Little strawberry necklace. Cute. More Valentine's Day tones. This is a fun metal enamel flower brooch for $5. That's coming with me. And this one too. That one's only $4. I was hoping that was uranium. It's not. Here's an early plastics. $4 on that. The sports theme doesn't usually do well, but that's so early. That's like 1930s. Love that. Let's see, they got another one too. And then here, a couple Westmoreland heart dishes, $10 each on those. That's a good deal. This one's really pretty with the frit. Look at this one. Somebody painted this. It's like a hobbyist piece, but it's only $5 and it's cute and Valentine's-y. I think I'll take that. Let's see, what else do we have? Really pretty jar here. Only $25 on that. It's easy to get carried overboard here. A nice canal, it looks like, $15. That's really pretty. God, look at that lamp. Well, this is even cooler than I thought. Look at that. It's got like some uranium or something in the edges. I think I'll take that for $15. And let's see what they got going on over here. Nice Victorian Edwardian boots, $38 on those. Those are fantastic. Some great advertising and such. Nice handkerchiefs box. $29 celluloid collar box, excuse me. Wow, look at that. With the old collars in it. And then here, nice canal. I believe that's canal. $65 Viking cat. All kinds of great stuff. This is the best though. The lingerie store advertisement with the owl on it. I love that sign. I'm actually thinking about getting that. It's pretty fantastic. And then here, nice Valentine's Day box with the hearts on it. It's so cute, fabric covered. A little bit newer than I usually like them, but still a good one, especially for $10. And then over here, I love the little pink oil lamps, so cute. $145 on that one. More Valentine's Day boxes. Here's a nice older one. Cute. It's the ones with the fabric on them you really want. Now, what is down here? Got some Siamese cats, $10 each on those. Those are good. Nice Cosmos oil lamp. Kind of overwhelmed. These are reprints, but they're so cute. The pillowcase covers. I have some of those in my house. And all the old Valentines. My favorite holiday. Those are from like candy, lollipop cards. How fun. Those are harder to find. And then here, check this guy out. This mushroom salt and pepper shaker set. That's fantastic. I will be taking that. That's in really good condition. It's only $6. Great Blendo bowl, chip and dip. Another cat set, that's a fun one. Little Empoli moment, all kinds of great stuff. I love these ceramic flowers. They're kind of a pain to ship though. $1 each. Oh my gosh, look at the little fan barrettes. That's so cute. I love that. Looks like they got another booth too, since I was here last. The beaded purses are fantastic. Ooh, I like what's happening here. What is this down here? Oh, trivet, ceramic. That's fun with the hand painting. Oh gosh, this glasses set is really fun too. This is different with the multicolor flashed flowers. I feel like that's a good version of flashed. Flashed is usually a hard sell. What is this? This is unusual. Blue glass elephant bottle, $18. That's fun. And behind me, fun pull toy. All kinds of stuff. Oh, I love this display. More Valentine's-y stuff. That's a fun cat brooch. Looks Spanish. Looking for the marking on it. Oh, but look at this one. The celluloid heart. That's adorable early, too. $9. I'll take that for $9. I think it's 15% off, too. Adorable little porcelain duck figurine. Looks like Josef Originals or Norcrest for $5. That's coming with me. Yeah, I love a color coordinated booth. Look at these watermelon head salt and pepper shakers, $18. That's about what I'd get out of those. So fun. The anthropomorphic food stuff is one of my favorites. Yeah, such happy colors. A nice little lucite teapot. Some fun smiley mugs. Valentine's Day themed stuff everywhere. I love it. Some fun bisque figurines. Like the owl keychain. The Pink Panther bell is fun. Oh my gosh, look at this cat. It's $16, but it's 15% off. That's such a good one. The sugar one with the tiger. Oh, I kind of want to do it even though it's a little close. Oh, I'm tempted, but might be a little much to have invested. This is a great pin cushion. 16 on him. It's got the tape measure still in there, although it looks like he's been glued at the top. And then down here, this is a fun little Art Deco salt and pepper shaker set. It's got Bakelite on it. $24 for that. This is so cute. Oh my God. How goofy. I love it. $12. Again, a little close, but adorable. This is a fun salt and pepper shaker set, although it looks like it's missing its mate. Yeah, single shaker. Ooh, I see something I really like. Look at this hand-painted vase. Oh, it's a pear. Oh, those are amazing. And the little stands, $30 for the pear. What? $30 for the pear? I'll take those. Those are fabulous. It's gorgeous. The paint's in really good condition, too. And then here, this bird looks like Murano. That's a really pretty one. That one's only $25. See a lot of Vaseline and uranium. Nothing that really stands out. The last time I was here, I got this cased uranium vase that was spectacular. Let's go into the booth. There's so much stuff in here, my gosh. Nice Fenton coin dot top hat. 30 on that. Love the tulip motif too. Over here though, let's see what they got. Wow, that's a nice server. Vaseline glass. I know I'm not supposed to like it, but I love the marriage of that clown decanter. The glass bottom with the Japanese face on it. Some nice glasses. Love vintage glasses. A couple bangles. Nothing Nothing I need though. Ooh, that's pretty. That Weller. I always get so apprehensive of picking these up because I feel like a lot of them are reproduction, though that one looks like the real deal. Well, in here, I can't help but notice these, what I believe to be Eric Hoagland decanters. Eric Hoagland style. $40 each, it looks like. Can't do much with that. Yeah, $40 each. Kind of chaotic back here. Let's see. That's a nice compote. Almost looks like Blinko colors or Tiffin. Let's see. Giving me tequila sunrise vibes. The cookie jar is fun. Nice dimpled piece here. 24 on that. Not crazy about the mouth of it. I just like anything with the dimpled effect. Looks like a Moser glass box. That's cute. The lovebird on it, or the dove delivering the love note, I should say. 15, a little close for me. Good deal for a collector who doesn't want to drive out to Mosser. What is going on with this? That's fabulous. But the cat face, oh, that's fun. That's pink painted. Might not be the most valuable thing, but it's definitely desirable. $5, I'll take that. Nice jadeite. Let's see. Not the kind of jadeite I want. For that price, I should say. Now, this is something I definitely would not want to ship, but I think this is so cool what someone made. Oh man, I love the sailor string holder. Fabulous. 42 on that. And then the string art owl is fun, but that's definitely more my speed, personally. They have such fun displays in this booth. Some really good kitschy stuff. All a little close for me, but fun to appreciate nevertheless. Some more jewelry. What's this lady brooch? Ah, she's all tangled. That's fun. What do they have on that one? $5? I'll take her for $5. Oh wow, look at this case. I love everything happening here. Well, first of all, I see Miss Priss. She's at 54. I love this little, I believe, Iris perfume bottle. Adorable little Lefton. The Valentine's Day hanky. This dog is fantastic. It's displayed so well. Look at that orange. The red and Polly. And then you have your Christmas. So fun. And that little, what I believe to be Weller vase. That is so pretty. Excuse me. It's Roseville. This is fun. Confetti glass, tulips. I feel like you could get a whole set walking around this antique mall. They're all split up between different vendors. Fun zebra planter, but it's definitely this Cupid one. I'm obsessed with 46, and for me though, I can't do that. Yeah, this is the same vendor that has that fun kitschy display booth behind me that I just showed. Love the little Boy Scout cake topper. What's happening over here? I feel like this is a really interesting booth. This though, that's gorgeous. That looks French. Opaline maybe. Let's see. Gorgeous. $50 and 25% off. Definitely a quality piece. The fun, giant, oversized Kokeshi dolls. This owl is different. 45 Italian, of course. So neat. And then what's going on with the seahorse over here? It's like a blow mold seahorse. That's fun. Made in China though, still. Fun to repurpose that in some way. Ah, that Italian vase is still here. I'm obsessed with it. So fabulous. $80. Not bad if I was buying it for myself, but I don't think I'd be able to resell at that price after fees and such. Good prices on the swungs though. $149 on that one, $250 on that. I like the amberina colors the best. Nice discount going on in this booth. Those Tanala shakers are still my favorite. 50% off everything. The moon's seen better days, otherwise I would totally pick that up. The little Victorian bows. I wonder what's going on here. There's a lot of really dramatic discounts and a lot of people moving around. This is a fun booth too. Again, a lot of Valentine's Day themed, not that much vintage Valentine's. I love this color of Fenton, 75. Yeah, those are usually pretty spendy. Another booth that's really well displayed. I love the mannequin heads there. Oh, that's a fun coat. Yeah, look at how happy this booth is. Love the lamps up there. It's fabulous. I went back to look at a couple things. I'm really into the beaded purses. I'm not sure how well they would do. They're kind of hit or miss for me, but that one in the back especially with the flowers, I feel like that's really special. I love these Valentine's graphics. So many good ones. I have a bunch I need to go through. And then the little heart boxes are at 14 and 18. And then down here I see the telephone cat salt and pepper shakers, 24, a little close again. It's a great set, and I love that left-in dog set as well. How did I not notice this fun handkerchief wall before? That's the thing. You got to pay attention with this vendor. This is a nice geisha one. That's cool. What's this? Interesting. Like a souvenir one, perhaps. Mother. I'm looking for more Valentine's Day ones. Although I do love this happy birthday one. That's pretty sweet. I think I'm gonna grab that. I love happy birthday stuff, and it's kind of hard to find. Well, another successful visit to Lewisburg Antiques. I kept it under $100, and I got a bunch of great stuff. So I'm gonna hop in the car, get on the road, and I'll see you guys at my next stop.